Hi, this is Randy Meyer again, and this is my third new technology video. This one is called Class Kick. This app allows teachers to post assignments for students, so both the teacher and peers can provide feedback on the assignment. Students can monitor their progress and work. This comes in handy, especially with students who are absent. If the assignments are posted, they have an easy access to them if they are in the classroom or at home. This is nothing more than falls under class procedure. It's easy to do. I'm going to take this one out of here so I can start over again. Okay, they have two example assignments on here. They also got a video. You can click on here and watch the video and how to import your existing assignments or lessons onto them. If you want to start a new assignment, all you got to do is click up here, hit blank, new assignment. Okay, new assignment. The assignment that we're working on right now is a leadership. Essay. Okay, quick description of it. It's got to be 4-page. 12 font. New Times Roman. Okay, just quick description of what I want them to have. Okay, you can click on the page again here. Add it to the text box so this comes up on the page itself. I just put on here and the due date is 27. Alright, it's as simple as that. It's saved already, so all I gotta do is go back to here. It's saved, it's on here. All I have to do is hit assign a roster. I'll just put a old student on here. It happens to be my daughter. All you gotta do is click on here, let them know what the code is, and then come in here and log on with this link, and they'll come to the assignment. This is pretty easy to do. Go back to home here, and it shows up on here also. But this is pretty easy to do, and like I say, it's great for the students that are absent in class for making up work. It's for both the teacher and the students. The parents can be added onto this. And I believe the ISTEs would be 4D and 6D, which falls under this. Any questions on this? It's pretty easy to do, and getting started is quite simple.